Welcome to the Amphenol Broadband Solutions training on the fiber splice box's entry port clamping options. In this training, we'll show the fiber splice box entry port locations, and we'll show the fiber entry port cable clamping options, including the single cable clip, strength member bracket, dual cable port bracket, and the cable compression seal. The fiber splice boxes have 4 entry and exit ports with rubber grommets. Here I'm showing the FSB-A. The first clamping option is the single cable clip. Remove the single cable clip and the rubber grommet. Put the cable in place. Make sure the ring cut of the cable extends about 1 inch beyond the end of the corner bracket, and install the single cable clip over the cable and tighten with the 2 screws. Cut the bottom end of each grommet. This will allow the fiber cords to be routed through the grommet. Install the rubber grommet. Next we'll install the strength member bracket. Measure and cut the strength member about 2 inches from the ring cut. Position the strength member bracket onto the fiber cable, making sure the strength members are pushed in fully against the inside of the strength member bracket, and no fiber tubes are trapped under the strength members. Position the hose clamp over the cable and the strength member bracket into position as shown. While pulling the strength member back against the protruding strength members, tighten the hose clamp into position. Install the strength member bracket and cable assembly into the designated port. This will be either port 1 or 2, as ports 3 and 4 do not accommodate cables with strength member brackets. Allow the strength member tab to mate with the corner bracket slot. Make sure the strength member bracket fits flush with the corner bracket, and install the short anchor screw provided. Install the rubber grommet. Next we'll install the dual cable port bracket. The dual cable port bracket has 2 cable positions, one in the back and the other in the front. The fiber cables can be secured either with the provided hose clamps or tie wraps. Place the dual cable bracket into the corner bracket and secure with the 3 included screws. The flathead screw goes into the center top hole, and the 2 panhead screws are for the other 2 locations. Position the first cable in the back section of the dual cable bracket and secure it with a hose clamp. Make sure the cable ring extends past the end of the bracket. Position the second cable in the front section and secure with the hose clamp. The cables can also be secured with tie wraps. Install the rubber grommet. Next we'll install the cable compression seal. The cable compression seal is made up of 3 main parts: the cable plate and main body, a seal, and the back nut. For larger diameter cables, the seal may not be needed. Install the fiber cable, making sure the ring cut extends about 3 inches above the cable plate. Make sure the back nut is not tight onto the cable jacket. If using the B-bond clamp or the strength member bracket, make sure to install the cable compression seal first. Remove the single cable clip and rubber grommet. With the attachment screws of the plate backed out, lower the assembly into the port so that screw heads fit through the keyholes from the inside and slide the plate back. While pushing the plate back so the sealing flange is flush with the box flange, tighten the external attachment screws. Adjust the cable so the ring cut extends about 1 inch past the corner bracket, and fully tighten down the back nut. Reinstall the single cable clip and screws. Let's review what we've covered in this training session on the fiber splice box entry port clamping options. We showed the fiber splice box entry port locations and showed the fiber entry port cable clamping options using the single cable clip, strength member bracket, dual cable bracket, and the compression seal. Thank you for viewing this training on the Amphenol Broadband Solutions fiber splice boxes entry port clamping options. For additional training topics, see our website at www.amphenolbroadband.com.